I used to wake up with neck pain almost daily. I blamed my pillow, but the real issue was posture. Once I changed how I slept, the difference was clear. Better rest and fewer aches without buying anything new. How sleep position affects your body. It changes spine alignment and pressure points. Sleeping on your back is a top choice. Keeps head, neck, and spine in neutral alignment. Mayo Clinic notes it may reduce pressure on joints. A thin pillow under the knees can support the lower back. Side sleeping is a strong option. Helps reduce snoring and may support breathing. Studies referenced by NIA suggest benefits for digestion. Placing a pillow between knees improves hip alignment. Left side sleeping for specific support. May help with acid reflux in some people. This position can support smoother digestion overnight. Keeping the head slightly elevated adds comfort. Fetal position in moderation. Common and comfortable for many people. Too tight curling may strain the neck or back. Loosening the posture keeps benefits without tension. Sleeping on the stomach is the least ideal. It twists the neck and stresses the spine. This can lead to stiffness over time. If unavoidable, use a very thin pillow or none. Effects vary by person and condition. Comfort and support both matter. Quick safety note. Some positions may not suit everyone. Consult your doctor for chronic pain. How I improved my sleep step by step. I started by adjusting pillow height. Then trained myself to stay on my side. A small pillow between my knees helped a lot. Within a week, my mornings felt lighter. Practical tips for better sleep posture. Choose a supportive pillow not too high. Keep your spine straight, not twisted. Avoid heavy meals right before sleep. Stretch lightly before bed to relax muscles. Possible mild effects to notice. Changing position may feel uncomfortable at first. Track your sleep progress simply. Note how you feel when you wake up. Watch for reduced pain and better energy. Small adjustments lead to lasting comfort. Science supports proper alignment during sleep. Research in journals like Sleep Medicine Reviews shows posture plays a key role in rest quality. This is not about perfect sleep. It is about better habits that support your body. Like if this helped, it guides more videos. Sleep smarter tonight and feel the difference.